even now, the most dangerous part of it all is that police officers who are supposed to protect us, they are part of the system that which I'm currently experiencing now. They are involved. Police officers, they are given what? They are given also my pictures to say, if you see this person, my name is trending to some corrupt police officers there. There are certain companies, chief, that which I'm going to tell with, I'm going to mention, but those ones, some of them I'm going to, they will be threatened. Abafana bakhe bazomprotecta siyabazi vele bahlezi benza njalo noma babona le video bo comment nonsense ba protect. I don't care, but mina yonke into engikhulumako is an evidence. So manje mfethu le out ngiye lapha eSaveways, mangifika eSaveways ngingami straight eSaveways kuna checkers kunelikwa ngapha yabona. And you must understand ukuthi pointing out names, it is because I know for the fact that there's evidence. And they're even recording where they are sending me, be careful, nentwana zakhe ezinye ziza kimi zingitshela ezinye zakhona, which I won't mention the name. Ke ngelinye ilanga ngavele ngakhuluma something sokuthi nina ninodwa la niyadlana nina. Yangithola. So that is the reason why I went to okay, it's fine. Secondly,
iluphi usizwe kahle kahle ukhala ngalo manje?
Brian, yabona ngizokutshela iqiniso. Yabona usizwe inguthi kahle kahle khala ngalo. Mfethu akube nomuntu honest eSouth Africa mfethu onguthi engizosibhana naye. I know ukuthi bakhona lama lentuzi, but umuntu.
Shout out to Jojo Finance for sponsoring this episode. Highly appreciate it. Jojo Finance ababolekisi bezinsizwa zezimali abasemthethweni. Their interest rate are very low. So yeah, thank you so much to Jojo Finance. Highly appreciate it. I told you I'm gonna come back with part 2, and I did. So yeah. This is part 2, my brother.
Yeah, part 2, my brother.
Are you well?
My brother, I can't be well. On a serious note. Because firstly, you need to understand that I don't have access to my things, to my belongings, to everything that belongs to me. Imagine now for the fact that part 2 and everything, okay, it was something which was arranged quickly. You understand? Look the way I'm, the dressing and everything. I'm not the kind of a person that wears like this. The people which, these people who are trying to kill me, it's not the fact that they are destroying my life at a certain level. Number one, it costing me emotionally and mentally. It costs me also physically. You understand? In terms of the appearance also, it costs me a lot. It costs me in terms of financial accessibility. Freedom as well. You understand? It costs me a lot of things. And at the moment of time, they are relaxed at their homes. It costs me comfortability. It costs me the issue of what can I say? Access to certain information. I'm unable to even have a cell phone. Because the moment I log in with my information, then they're able to access the IP address in order to locate me. So what kind of a system am I living currently? And we're living in a system in a country where there's a law. A same law that favors people that which recommends themselves as private presidents. So now, you see now, even now, the most dangerous part of it all is that police officers who are supposed to protect us, they are part of the system that which I'm currently experiencing now. They are involved. Police officers, they are given what? They are given also my pictures to say, if you see this person, my name is trending to some corrupt police officers there. That which when I begin to try and make a statement that the police is trying to open a case, already this person knows the person that man, this one is that kind of a person that we are looking for. And mostly, the most people who are paid are the detectives. Because they are actually the ones that which runs the investigation. The police at the front, the constables and sergeants, some of them are just paid to identify me. And then that's why they're able to make phone calls behind what? Behind the closed doors. Which is something that which happened in Kinross. And then was the Kinross, the police officer there, I can identify that this man is the one that which made the phone call. He's even asking me in detail, where did you run from, in which side, and all of that, in which part. There was this gentleman that which I went to, not even a gentleman, he's an old man. I went to. I started there before I even went to Evander. I started there. So that man there in that house, I was waiting at the gate when I contacted him. These people, they were even tracing me. So I wanted to write like certain contact details so that I can be able to call even other people. I can't even access anything. Even I can't even go home. Because they even know all the homes, all my homes, they even know where I stay. And obviously, but I know for the fact my family members, some of them, you know what, I don't even go there because they have never, most of them have never, they never liked the fact that at least in life, boy, you've made it. My uncles are even making contact with some of the people. My uncle, the other one who's currently dealing with my name, Froster, that one as well. But in some of the good days, I'm going to mention those things. So now, if you look at my situation currently, it's a very tough situation. You understand? What else now? Firstly, let's start here. I mentioned earlier on that they are tracking me, and I'm still mentioning it now. Ne? The moment there's this other device which I saw on the email, I've got two emails that which I was using. The other email is a backup email, and the other one is the main email address. So there was the other time where there was an issue in WorldBank where I was attacked by this other gentleman from the street, these boys. Ne? I remember this other location. Some of the people who are trying to attack me from the street, some of the people that knows my vulnerability to say, this one is wanted. Even if you can hit him, you can kill him. If he goes to report to the police station, nothing is going to happen. You understand? But it's unfortunate that I defend myself if I don't play in the street. You understand? So I don't play. But now, the following week, on my other email, I saw a cell phone, a device, which I saw an email address. A notification of an email tells me that a certain cell phone number, it shows the cell phone number, Samsung A06, logged in this location. When I check the location, it's the location of what? It says around Mbombela, but if it says Mbombela, it just recommends the seat, obviously in Mpumalanga. But I was aware that so the police officers as well, they're working with these people, and most of the people that which they're looking for me, those are guys, SAPS members as well, ne? But given private cars to also look for me. And also as well, there are private people, individuals, hitmen. WorldBank, there are many hitmen, chief. Some of them we don't. Those other hitmen in WorldBank, they pay rent for them in order to, anytime if something happens now, a number must be out, someone must be killed. I'm not going to be scared again to mention, because already these are the people that are looking for me. Number one, this is the reason why to say, most of people are going to be shocked to say why I say Mr. Joseph Banyoni's people or gang, they are looking for me. It's because the people that which currently that issued the number, the ones that which they are close to the man. And most of the guys there, I'm not going to particularly to say him. You understand? But I am going to say his people, they are looking for me. Because these guys there, they pay protection fee in different ways. OCFO, they pay protection fee to these criminals in the street. You understand? Gangs that are hitmen and all of that through Amatenda. There are certain companies, chief, that which I'm going to I'm going to mention, but those ones, some of them I'm going to, they will be in any way or anyhow be given to the investigating officer. But now there are certain investigating officers, chief. You can't be someone else that you have been dealing with crime preventions, dealing with certain investigations, and all the police, they hate you. No. There are good cops outside there, and they know their jobs. So there are certain cops that which currently, you understand, I'm in line with, and I'm getting advices. And if they say court, and let them do, even the municipal manager knows that I've got many friends of lawyers, he knows that. Some of them I used to come with them, and like there's even a lady that which I'm very much close to. You understand? She's a lawyer by profession. So there are other advices, and even coming here, you get advices, chief. You understand? To say, I want to go there. Go there. And then I know for the fact, exposing them. It's not because I woke up from the field to say, I'm going to expose them. It took me time. From last year, November, I just took out a video where Patricia Mashale posted it. You understand? Where I mentioned names and names and names and names. Intentionally so, chief. Intentionally so. And I'm not going to silence me legally to say, I'm taking you to go. I'll say, go there, we will meet there. When I want to come with a legal representative, when they start to ask questions, I'll present papers, documents, and proofs. And I'll present CC footages as well. Because there are even other cops that I'm trying to say, guys, in the way so there's footages. Even if they can delete the CC footage, intelligence is very powerful, chief, to a point where they can even recover there's deleting. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, recover. Even if you can, you see these things of saying, hey, hi, what's up? You can't recover. They are able to do that. You know. Chief. Chief. It's true, Chief. You can't deny because abamani ba 30 phone yako, Chief. They don't just take your cell phone number to say, boy, tata by fagaku something, collect. They take your cell phone number, Chief. By submit about 30 phone yako to say by just extracting the information. No, they take your cell phone number that you used to register your WhatsApp. Then they have a what they court order. They go WhatsApp to say, hey, still information guys ban. You think you know these people, they think very slow to say, hi, no delete. I know about niggas ayona. Angeke kwenzeke next. Uyadlala WhatsApp ikhampani phela lento le. WhatsApp. And in a history yemsebenzi yakho. Go, it's an end to end. You understand? Between us. But the intelligence part of it. Kunento kuthiwa Proton Mail, Chief. Proton Mail is an email. You understand? Not an email. It's an app operating like about email address, about Gmail. But if Proton Mail, it hides your identity and email. It does not even need about like what? It does not need a contact number yako to register or anything. You just put a domain name and a password. And then you just send a message. Some of the information which I was sending the guy called Johnny, the one that which when was sent by Randa, you understand? We were using also a Proton Mail. Proton Mail, they take the domain name. You understand? To say, man, this domain name you used, the domain name that you use to register is actually it's an identity. You go to I7 to log into that phone. Then they're able to trace guys. Chief, this thing of investigation is too high. So they just simply think when they take my phone, but access phone, they think they delete you. You are playing games. Chief, when like myself, you get to a level where you work with the intelligence. I'm not a police officer, understand? I'm not. But now having to work with police officers, intelligence, crime intelligence people, and being recruited as an agent in the high institution in the country must tell you something different. When you are just a civilian dealing with someone else who was involved in a certain system, what do you think? Like a municipal manager, they are just dealing me in a position as the municipal manager. You can't deal. He can't deal with me in his capacity of a municipal manager. No, you are an accounting officer for a certain institution and you are serving a certain period of time. Menaga, I deal with a system that deals with you. You understand? I was involved in a system that deals with you particularly. So he knows that certain information. You see, there was a time where he wants a certain information. He knows you need something. I come with it now and I give it to you. Said, na into ifuna. Mara municipal manager wenzani ngale information yonke le. The next thing, kuno meeting eke wabakhona kamasipala. UThelma.
Khona eMpumalanga.
eMpumalanga. UThelma, ne? Deputy CFO. Currently. CFO. Sipho Kenneth Mahlangu, the current CFO. Ibhaya, Princess Dladla, municipal manager, NAMC 5. Kune issue kamasipala eyaye ikhuluma ngiyecourt futhi ngizokutshela ne kulabantu abayi5. Ngiyecourt. Si-attenda enye i-case yomunye umama kamasipala. You understand? Le case kale mama kusho ukuthi it's regarding fraud ewayenza ukuthengiseni indlu, which we organize something called entrapment. Entrapment is where, you remember I told you, where you be bribery involved, yabo. So now there's 20,000 involved, which was given to me to give the lady because I was investigating the matter and there was a preliminary investigation further, and also there was a success. Guess what? Do you know? I investigated the matter and I had whole files. Do you know what thing pusha good case? umuntu aboshwe isikhathi esingakanani less than 6 months. Imagine ngapusha chief because I realize ukuthi my life is under threat la. Lo muntu lona sekaqala ukubaleka uyabona. I had to push. Imagine it takes time, but I had to push chief. That is how much if mina I find legitimate or legitimate investigating officers, we can arrest someone very quick. That's how fast I was. We investigate. I think it was May, June, July. There was an arrest, and quickly so. I built the case behind the scenes. I give you. I said, Chief, via everything becomes accurate. That was just a small case. There are cases, serious cases, that which I've built for many investigating officers, even behind the scenes. People were arrested, quietly so. And I don't take the glory, you understand? I've got, not in Linam, Laben Kalakon, no manje feelings at Linamini. We understand because at the moment of time, unless Meleng Bilang, Linda Lang, Meleng Bileko, you understand? Lang was positioned on a safe call. But now, lang yes la pe guest house lapa gang lang kunen say lo my sister will is it angazi ukuthi ugcineleni into zami because now ezinye izinto ezisele kunyidlu la bengihlala khona ne now kunama file chief aserious kakhulu abantu kunama profiling abantu aserious kakhulu chief lapha uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini kulama file lawa chief lawo kusho ukuthi lama investigation la mina bengihleze ngitshela kahle ukuthi ngine ngibot la bengihlala khona ne ku apartment yami ngibhale ngiliste abotsotsi so ngenza imap ngishaye kahle you understand this part of the intelligence of everything I understand I had a small pot where I put the head so okay it's fine lola kwanje ngathi uyalinka lana and I will investigate ntala that is what happened to indaba zo Chris la ngizoyichaza kahle but angifuni ukungena kakhulu lapho ngoba abantu aba-involved chief lapho kusasa bazophinde bagijima athi yazi umuntu ongaba involved ukuthini athi uyazi ukuthi uChris ubule angazi ukuthi uChris ubulewe kubani lo zogijima athi uyazi you must be very careful chief. Mina mangishale le map nyana lapha kimi thola izinto uzishabo esibona ukuthi namahata la involved la chief police officers are involved. Mina this is the reason why currently mangibhizi sibele endabeni yakale case yalo mama ne masibhizi ngale case le siye court this other investigating officer which is called warrant officers on the Sile Mashaba my sister ne I don't want to lie compromise ile bra
now ugcina corrupt
uncompromise ile you understand angithi ugcinise uncompromise in what way as an investigating officer weza uthini usuka abe manginenkinga yokufuna ukubulawa uyayibona akasingeni weza uthini uyidibathi ugcina soba corrupt ungizwa ngathi isodlalo no
ngiyasho ngoba uthi wena uyayicompromise manje
no ngithi ungicompromisile not ukuthi ngiyazicompromise ungicompromise le investigating officer chief kukhona ezinye izinto nami I'll be very much honest lama ngibona ukuthi la ngathi sengicina ngiba corrupt uyabona lapho will be honest mina ngisumuntu ozoluka athi that is where le ngizochaza ukuthi ngicina ngizibona sengicorrupt in what line la and which is why lapho some of the things I wonder which the state I need to come forward to the state they just kunento so uyabona if they say we would like to launch an investigation on your side that's good yabo. You can ask, but I need to complete the my sister. Yeah. So so from that point, kunento enguthi yale case alo my sister. Yabo? So le case ka my sister lena ngifika ecourt ungitshela ukuthi kimi ngizwe bathi wena uyakhuma esikhuma ngendaba zama 100,000 nana yabo. Ufika kimi uthi hey ubheki lo naye ungaphansi kwababa sibani njengoba naye yena as presenter but according to history vele is true yabona and according to what I know and according to what I found vele it's true ne ithi kimi lento uthi kimi my sister uthi hey siyaqeda icase ne kwakumele bathathe ifone yami bayo extract evidence yabona which I was like, no, bengihlezi ngimphusha mina ukuthi ngicela ukuthi extract evidence, uthatha ifoni yakho. Yabona if ifoni yakho there's nothing to hide, yabona. We present her with confidence. Ngithi no, thatha ifoni yami. Like ngicela ngize ngithi my sister, ifoni neza nini uzoyithatha ufakazi. Phela is a police officer. Uzosaba ukumnika ifoni yakho ukuthi uzothola nezinye. Ngithi no, ngicela nizothatha ifoni yami, yabona. Nize collect information. Ngikhulume kaningi lokho. Kaningi. Kwaze kwalahleka ifoni yami kanti ngine backup yefoni. Uyayibona? Ngathi thatha na i-backup. Still akafuna ukuthatha le phone. Kwathi the day siya ekhotho and mind do my sister kunalesikhathi ngikhuluma no CFO ngaphandle. Yabo? And remember mina ukuze ngibe able to access CFO angithi ngisebenzela municipal manager by that time. You understand? So we are like sisenkambini A1. Yabo? So manje ngithi mina kuye hey siyaxoxa sino CFO. CFO uthi kimi. Imagine the CFO is asking me about an investigating officer who was my handler dealing with the information ebengimnika. Uyayizwa uthini? Uthi do you know uZandisile Mashaba? Yayibona? Kithi mina how? This guy, how does he know, you understand, the lead? Ngithi wayibuza uthi hayi you dealing with crime prevention zangisho obvious. You deal with, you invite the hawks and everything.
Uyihandler.
uZandisile Mashaba by that time, like let's say mhlambe it happens ukuthi we are working with the investigating officer, ne? Investigating officer will put you with someone else who gives her the information, that she becomes your handler. Umuntu uyakuhandla should
Ihandler umuntu okunika information.
ihandla umuntu okuphethe. It's like yabona
nabantu abaphathe uBrian Mkhotsi kanje.
Ngoba ngizwe negama lehandler lizo.
no yazi njani lento. Yabo Brian Mkhotsi zabo zideep kakhulu bathengisa information asifuna ukuzingena lezi zabo lezi. Yayibona? So le handler uthi injani umuntu let's say
njengo MM beka handler yakho.
Hayi le ngeke uyibe ifana ne boss. Side labo emifana ne boss. You understand? Ihandler should ma we clarify. Uyana uRandall na beka iboss ngoba yazwa. In fact asibeke kanjani ma handler bonke umuntu okuphethe. Umuntu okuphethe. Nethi ukuthi sikhuluma ngelanguage yangapha. Yabona ikhuluma ngelanguage esipoiseni vele bayibiza ngehandler ngithi umuntu okuphethe. Yeah. Kusho ukuthi yazifana nani for an example, let's say ngithi bekukhulunywa ngoBrian Mkhotsi. uBrian Mkhotsi is a handler. Net yena into yamshaya. Information lena bekayisebenzisela ukuthi abe nenyuku. Uyazi njani? Uyambona muzibeka ebusy ayenzani? Text abo General Mkhwanazi ngapha ubatshela information. Uthenga ifavor nge-information. Which that one is very dangerous. You can't do that. Yabona ma umuntu odila ukuthi uphethe information. Let's say mhlambe yabona ngidila ngale case yalo my sister lo. Mina ngithatha le case sengiyakuye ngithi mina hayi yawu investigator, I'm the witness. Mara ngayira plan ul case awu ivaya. Uyayithola lento leyo uthengisa information which is wrong. So mina uyihandler yami. Ngireporta kuye. Yazi kanjani? Ngecase esidila ngayo. Namanye ama case engukuthi a close to what sidila ngayo. Uyayizwa uthini? So, manje reporta kuye. Enye information akayithathi ayisebenzise. Ufuna that specific information elinkana nalabantazana nabo. CFO ungikhomba iWhatsApp chat akhuluma noZandisile Mashaba. Kukhulunywa ngani? Sekugcina ngibona ukukhulunywa ngediesel lapha ngidawu investigating officer. Uyabona? Ngathi lebe siyadeleta mase sicala sibuyela ngithi chief. Yabona? Ngithi mina lento le mase other time ngithi man lase ngibela kwesithu lethanyana ngithi man ya man ke sakhuluma ngendaba eso man. Kunento engayifuna lapha man. Ngikhomba ukuthi hayi mina lo muntu uyasikhuluma next sekadelete ama chats. Uyayizwa uthini? So ngelinye ilanga sisecourt, masisecourt uthi kimi u-investigating officer uthi kimi okay sidila ngecase yangena witness okay icase yapostpone umunye iphoyisa likho bathi liku training angithi okay from there kunami from makunami seka kunalento kuthiwa hayi bheka ke ndoda usayisha ngesibindi ke manje investigating officer warrant officer manje yabo uthi kimi mele sithatha ifoni yakho ngokushaya se extract it, all right no problem, but le phone le yintsha ngithi amafoni amalahlekile uyakwazi nawo lokho yisha le phone le so i-information angazi uthola be mara nakho uyazi why bamtshele ukuthi mina lapha kamasipala ngizwe utshelwa bani CFO utshelwa nangabanye, you understand? Kuthiwa lapha kamasipala Kuthiwa waye ngifuna ukucala la ku supply chain kuneminyango nyana eminingi la ungena kamasipala first floor yabo. Kunabo baya, kunabo banibani yabo ba ama assistant yonke kugcwele nje yabo. Athi no, ya ngithola information kamasipala. Usho asho le 100,000 rand ifaka ubheki e-account yami. Yabo? Athi ngisho kuthiwa abantu ubheku bathi kunomuntu. Akachazi ukuthi ubani. Kunomuntu kuthiwa bathi uphi 100,000 rand. Lo muntu lo uthi ufuna i10. Kahle ngathi hayi. Ngavela nje hayi ukhuluma ngobheki wena. Ubheki siyasebenzisana sinaye. Ngathi ngicela nibe seqinisweni. You understand? Ningakhulumi ukuthi kuthiwa kunomuntu okuphi 100,000 rand. Sekafuna le phone ufuna ukuthola kahle i-information ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. You understand? Ngavela ngathi with pleasure. Sathi asihlale phansi futhi sikutshele sonke istory ukuthi kuhamba kanjani la. Nginale out yami. Ngamtshela ngase ngamkhomba nasefonini. From that time ifone yami ayisafuni ukuthi ba extract information. Ngathi mina hayi asithathe yakhe ifone phela si extract information ngoba le evidence yonke masiqala icase investigator ngakunika yona. You understand? Akusetshenziswa yakhe ifone phela wena ifone yakho le ngiyayazi wawusebenzisa amafoni ayithu kwasekuqaleni muzivele wawusebenzisa le phone le. You understand? Guess what? Masona ifonini yakhe there's no evidence. Gone. Engamthumela na from ekuqaleni. Ifoni yokuqala. Masona ifoni is2 there's no evidence futhi. Gone. Ngabe sengibuza lesesihamba ngibuza le ndoda. Ngithi ndoda angitshele kahle. Isiphi i-evidence yonke? Kahle lo muntu ubosholeni lo oboshiwe la kamasipala. Ngoba kungathi uboshela into wrong. Ngimnika i-information ne-evidence nama-recording. Mara ama-recording ne-evidence azisekho lezi zinto. Ubosheleni kahle lo muntu lo. Hayi si push. Lesikhathi ngikutshela ukuthi i-docket le e-province. I-docket mali ya e-province sekushintshwa wena phoyisa, kushintshwa wena prosecutor. Ngabona lapho ukuthi hayi it's fine. Vele sedliwe icala. Ngavele ngabona lapho. Suke my brother ngiye kulo meeting ku-C5 municipal man CFO yonke lento le. Sibamba meeting. Ngihlangana no ngaphandle ngimtshela ngithi kahle lapha kamasipala kunabantu abakhuluma izinto ngami so. Omunye igama lakho naliphumile so kwenzeka so. Yangizwa? Hayi my brother lo meeting lo mawungena kanti ubastelile labantu. Yilesikhathi vele bese ngazi ukuthi ungidla emuva yabona ungidla i10. Ebantwini sinasi2 sikhulumana grand. Behind the scenes kuvela izindaba. Shuthi sebaziletha ngapha kimi zivela ngamakhona. Uthi hayi Frostani le one le. You understand? Le one eFrostani. Yabona sekuphuma izistories zivela ngamakhona ngama-patches. Ngithi mina kuye ngithi ngiyazi ukuthi angifro. Shuthi mase kuphela le shuthi benginokumtshela ngithi phela bayafika kimi abantu bangitshela ukuthi angifrostani. Ezinye zakhona ngiyazi iqiniso because kune information esiqoqa sithu mara sengizwa ngaphandle. Kube nalento ukuthiwa ukuthi no checka kulabantu C5 la bengikutshe ukuthi simithana nabo. Ngitshela uMahlangu ngithi mina I'm not happy. UMahlangu kanti uphethe ifone so ungirecorda. You understand? Angazi ukuthi ungirecordelana. Uphethe ifone yakhe uyibambe so. Ngiyarecordwa mina. Uyistelile lento. Uthi nilwelani kahle la. Ubuza mina track story sekayazi sekabastelile ukuthi kunezinto abafuna ngizikhulume kanti bafuna ukuzishaya ku recording. Then bafuna ukuzisebenzisa kusasa. Ngavele ngaba limited mtshana. Ngaba honest ngabathe ngathi wena princess so wena sibani. So lo deputy CFO sekaba defensive. Yabona uyathula yasimanje. Ngabona ukuthi avele istelile ngavele ngasikima ngavaya. Ngamtshela nikhuluma namaphoyisa nithi ngami. Ngazi ngabatshe ngathi no ezinye zezinto ngicela ukuthi kube nophenya. Ngazi mina kunezinye zezinto na investigating officer ngamtshela ngicela ukuthi ningi-investigate. Ngamtshela straight, understand? Ngathi ngi-investigateni. Uyazi why? I will be happy because nabo labantu laba ama-investigating officer nabangavela abanankinga ngovele mina ngishaye sobani ngithi no it's fine. Asiqaleni la. Wena CFO ngedate so. And ukhumbula kuthiwa warrant officer ke wa-investigator u-CFO. I think le bo Dr. Chase Moroka. So from there sekubangani i-investigating officer senibangani at the later stage uyayifihla. Then ngamfonela Mashaba ngathi phela ayikhona man madam yangithi mele ngibe transparent na as my handler ngimbuza ngithi ayikhona man madam bengimbiza ngomena kunento engangiphathi kahle la ngibona into esona so lapha ku CFO and uCFO uthi kahle ngicela ukuthola ukwenzala wavela wangiresponda straight wathi mina no CFO kudala sazana kudala ngibazi labantu la yabo no stress isuke nini inkinga ayiqale after lo meeting lo sinobo CFO Sengiyaqala sengiyamonitora ngezimoto lapho, yabo? Okay, ukumonitora ngezimoto yenzeka lesikhathi mhlambe ngicala ukuspanela nabo ungireporta kubo Randall as agent lapho. Yayiqala lento iyenzeka. Bese from there ngamithana nelinye timer eli investigating officer la investigator umunye my sister. Yamkhumbula lo mayor wasuzandi uzandile wathi lwase KZN ubeka umayor le former executive yayikhumbula le story zakhe. I-investigating officer yakhona sahlangana thina sinayo shithi mara lezi zabo zandila ngizingena ngizazi ukuthi zicala njani but le out ngahlangana nayo kuphi eMpumalanga eWitbank sase sazana thina ngani ngendaba zokudila ngeinvestigation sase saba close sinale time and kwaba i-time vele so lalifdila investigator ama case serious bo Eskom I mean not Eskom bo mine kanti mina kunama case already ebengibhizi ngawo wase kule bathini la ngutshela ukuthi ubuspeaker bayakhona bathi bagcina basibuza bathi what is that they can offer iNCC imine yakhona universal code yabona
kona ukwa investigator ku Eskom
yeah ke awenziwa nga investigate like ba Eskom khona lapha you understand there's undercover nginvestigate le khona bo power station nginvestigate le khona ama power station ase Witbank nase Middelburg ama illegal mining wa investigate le khona lapha you understand information ile behlele nabo Randall ekugcineni kwaloko information yakhona angazi kwenziweni ngayo ngazithola mina sengila kule situation engizo namhlanje ngoba sigcine sengicompromise kakhulu vele
kahle ubani ufuna ukucisha
mina ngizokutshela iqiniso my brother angithi labantu abafuna ukungicisha kusho ukuthi ngizokutshela abasi one yabo i-number kusho abanye bazama ukungicisha then azange saphumelela umduduzi uMswati inkosi will be very much honest wazama ukungibulala nayo
uStuzi
uMswati inkosi currently MMC
MMC1
MMC we DDP eNkangala district la ngelinye ngizokuchazela futhi naye ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi isuka kanjani ukuthi before then ngizokubala omunye ukuthi iza njani ngizokubala omunye ukuthi iza njani yabo layout lena lapha iyangithinta siyakhuluma ngefoni yabo masikhuluma ngefoni kokucala uthi kimi ngicela sihlangane eNandosi i-recording yami naye la sikhuluma khona isesekhona lapha ngazi ngambuza ngathi mara lento lebo ngibizele naba kuyiyo na because I remember ngalandwa by that time benganankinga neWitbank police station because ngazi ngalandwa amajita amaphoyisa abangilanda ngeGTI you understand yamaphoyisa bang-escort bangikhipha khona lapha le date leyo ngidawukusept ngisakhumbuka neba ngabuyele emuva bazoyibona namakhamera yonke lapha eSaveways yabona eWitbank le outfit sihlangane sibe nelunch lapha eNandosi uyangithola uthi ngithi yani lunch leyo uthi no ngifuna nawo sketch up already mina bese ngibhizi neteam yakhe nginvestigate amajida wakhe you understand so already and bangama comrade labantu abakamasipala so when you talk to this one when you ask this question when you deal with this thing bayatshelana yabo so ibe lalento ukuthi ngithi hayi ndoda ngifuna sihlangane man my brother yabona sithi mhlambe usho mina uthi sihlangane sixoxe kanti mina ngi-investigator so ngi-reporter before uzandisile Mashaba i-information yakhe nginikeza enye out about uCaptain Kulube which omunye ke wangona ngawathi uCaptain Kulube hey lo muntu lo imagine ngona i-official la kamasipala ebeli ku contract elispanela le out umduduzi you understand athi kunomuntu osona so ufikile lana ukuwona ukawu ngami so yabo le investigating officer yasuke seyikhuluma nobani nalomjita so lo mjita wabona ukuthi kusho ukuthi leni ufuna ukungcumba phansi and by that time yena bekasekadumile ngento zakhe zasestradini abafana bakhe bazomprotecta siyabazi vele bahlezi benza njalo noma babona le video bo comment nonsense ba protect I don't care but mina yonke into engikhuluma ko ngiza ne evidence so manje mfethu le out ngiye lapha eSaveways mangifika eSaveways ngingamistrate eSaveways kuna checkers kunelikwa ngapha yabona kunetolo zamandiya ngapha kunani so mina ngivele ngisuke ngimele ekhoneni le between ilikwa checkers ne retail ngabe mina not ngithi retail ne checkers vele ngoba zonke mo retail yabo ngime lapha le out ithi ingifonele ngithi mina ukuphi le out sikhuluma ngo 2:30 ngisasikhumbula isikhathi seyidilenge ngitshela ukuthi no ngisengifikile ngilala ukusuka le kamasipala kuza lapha eServices less than futhi ma driver 5 minutes njalo uyangena ithi no man ngiyeza you understand lokho ikhuluma into ngiyafika manje eNandosi akunamuntu kunomama oyiwana omunye bekahlela lapha ngiyambona vele umama lo ngimthole lapha yabo kuvela enye out abathi umphonkuta very close to naye uzo comment neyazi zana msebenzi naye vele ngi-out bathi uMponkuta ne uMponkuta ispy sakamswathi maro spala kamasipala vier futhi icomrade la kaMswathi la kaSpeaker yangithola uMponkuta avele uvela nengintwana abatundumiso Nkosi by 2 ziyangena lapha ngisibhekile so zingena lapha kamasipala lapha esengithi kamasipala lapha eNanduza ziyabheka ziyangibheka ngithi ndoda la ngibhizi ngilindene nawe kwenzakalani angitholi ukuthi intwana zakho lezi ezithuma zingena ngapha zibhekana nami what's going on uthi kimi no sekatshela mina information yalapha angekho uthi no ne man hey labafana laba man hey ayikhona abamane bazifikela nya ino ukuthi ukhona uzibani ubala nalo mama ngithi information ukuthi kunomama ngaphakathi uyithethe kuphi utshela mina manga ukuthi nokunabantu nosibangita ayikho yonke lento le so ne information yonke lento le yabona ayiphelele lapha bubhu kuvela amanye amajida amapaka izimoto la okunye kwakhona ngibonile kuphethe ngena kwesibhamnyana kuqoka isikiphe esimhlophe kude kuphaye ngemoto le out yazivele nini chief ivele ekugcineni lamajida ngana wakhe wonke ngwakena kwamanye wakhona ukuthi wrong sekafikile then sinikiniki masengilapha ekhoneni seyayoringa nale emjida lo ngimbona ukuthi mina bhedeka amajida khona bekaloka ngitracile mangiqala ngivela ngale moto ngitraziwe and every now and mangidrop ifone ukuba kucall mangimfonela ithi tu yabona ngis WhatsApp tu diyazi ukuthi ukucall mangidropa iresponda ku WhatsApp sinini iloku ithi hawu ngiyazi ukuthi ngula kahle la landela yikho alisi right le mase ngicala ngithi mayifika kimi le out ngiyakhumbula futhi kwakunama camera mayifika kimi le out ikhipha isandla kusho ngathi bekuna 300 or something la isikhomeni sakhe yabona uthi man ngidelayile man bamba somga nami mina uzasala udli lunch angithi sengiexpose yonke le mission nalabantu bakhe babakhona baloku bangilandelela ya understand nalaba afananyana bakhe lapha uthi nosoza babilanje mangibamba ngithini le itra ngithi hayi no ya understand charge ngithi akuna stress kanti la ku call la ngiyenze ini ngikhuluma naye so uCaptain Kulubulalele yonke into transparent ngithi lo muntu phela sekuso ngithi angeke ngidrop makafika la kimi ukhuluma nami kanti uCaptain Kulubulalele ukuthi ngikhuluma naye yangithola so from then ngiyamtshela ngithi situation iso nayiphuma le out seyikhuluma nalamajida yazi imoto eziphume lapha nje sekuphume almost 3-4 years moto nayiqeda seziyalandelana and bonke lamajida la ngibathayimile ngibabonile ukuthi kwenzakalani kwesi2 kunenye intwana abathi ubonga inkosi Shabalala ubani ngimela lapha ngase civic center kaMasipala kusho ukuthi kuvela umntwana omunye engingamazi kunabantu abaningi ukuyale kuvela umntwana wentombazana uza straight kusho ukuthi le ntwana ijike ngemoto ipake ngapha ibheke so iphethe ifoni kuza umntwana kimi okusho ukuthi le ntwana ngiyakhumbula le ntwana bengangazi thumela omunye lo mjida abashabanga bengangazi kuze enye into umntwana omncane esikoleni uza kimi straight uthi ngicela i2 kimi straight kunabantu abaningi ngithola uthi ngicela i2 ngiyayikhipha ngiyamgaya same time mangimgaya le ntwana naye seyajika lapha imaso ishaya isithombe ngibize ngintwana beyiloku ngidriver lesikhathi ngana moto yabona ngivaye ngelento zabathi kuphi bathi kuphi lapha eBheka King eClifffontein chief le outing drop ekhona lapha ngihlalele lapha phansi vele imoto kwamanye amajida amazulu angena ngaphakathi athenga ibheka nalebheka khona bayivula bayigamula ibheka nganasidena nganasidukuthi kwenzakalani ngeni call makungeni call enye out le out ithatha ifone ethi hemfethu ngizokufonela ngisese la eBheka King ngizoyenza umsebenzi umuntu wakhona nawe ngimbhekile uyayibamba yenzeka after ngishutha isithombe lomfana lo shift imoto ngithole khona lapha then very bese ngibona ukuthi la ngisikime le out ibe ngathi yaziprepare ngathi yasikima naye yebo ngihlale phansi naye yabo ngithi mina kulo share lona kunama camera futhi nayo yonke lento engikutshelayo ngithi kule ntombazana ethengisa lapha eBheka ngithi mina awungitshele kahle itoilet kuphi ngiyayazi ukuthi kuphi just ngifuna ukubona ngishale out zange sakhona uceda ukudla kwami ngibekishiye khona lapha ngithi toilet kuphi yangitshela ukuthi toilet kuphi frame lapha ngena yazi ukuthi ngenzani yasikima ngishiya kushuthi ngishiye lebheka lapha yabo ngiyashiya kusese drinking my lezi cam ukuthi vele uyobuya adle khona la ngivele ngene etoilet abana knowledge ukuthi ngale move ebheka kini kunomnyango obalekelayo kuthi lento ama restaurant angayenza kube namanye ama-door yabona ama-alternative ngivele ngishone ngiphume lapha emnyango ngibambe ngale move mangisathi ngiyehlele enzansi kune glass uyalibona ngiphume ngama steps mangicala ngiyehlela le phansi phume ngokusheshsha le out le keep ifone ithi nayo lo mjida phela uyabale kuze uyarasa donse enye lentuza ibhagi lapha ithi the same place la ngaqala ukugijinyiswa khona vele last year ngoNovember ngibalekele khona angazi le ndawo yasesanwani bayizwana ngibalekele khona ngibamba istrata kuvele ngibhaki futhi ngigijimise mangitry ijikele ngapha futhi ngokusheshsha futhi ijikele kwesinye istrata ngale vele bangilande kanti lapha eClefanten Dam kugcwele le enye out ithi ifuna ukudonsa ngibhekile bese iyabisela ishuthi imoto khona seyehla kakhulu ile sesingenzani ngibalekele mangibakele eClefanten Dam ngikhumula iskipper ngishone komunye my sister number khona ngisesenayo angangifakazela athi lento vele ke yenze although angazi ukuthi yena yenzwa planwa kanjani mangale nyangena vumbuka nebhaki ngena ngaphakathi eClefanten ngamasimba enye bamba ngemoto ngemabhaki yabona tshela ukuthi phela nawo abantu bangijimisa khona la athi uba masinyana sister athi uba masinyana iBolt masinyana vele ngene you understand le out yangitshela ithi le moto lezi ezigijima ngidala abantu bafuna mina idonse le out yeBolt ingishendli first attempt second attempt yabo hayi ngithule yena dag le out ukuthi okay kuqale lento zami Captain Kulu besihlangane eBheka King ngimnika istatement ngomzwathi you understand bafuna istatement statement sakhona not even today there was any of an investigation ngaze ngabuza uMajor General wase province ngamtshela ngathi le out lena is 2 years namhlanje uloku ngitshela ukuthi yena kusalinde ukuthi kube kuvule inquiry for 2 years zange make sense la ku general you understand kanti leza zasuka zonke seziyenzani zingikhuluma kabi kulo general waseMpumalanga and mina ugeneral usho bekunange issue khona ukucommunicate naye vele naye waqala washintsha phela uyabamba so sometimes mangishanga ama email into zami sekazi responda ngendledlanyana ezithizeni namhlanje mina I'll be very much honest with you so I don't believe that anything that which I'm going to report to him is going to take it serious because already members wakhe sekamdayile ngendlela ezithizeni ngami and which is fine but when time goes by and I know for the fact that this matter will lead forward those things will be revealed all along the reason when you have been discouraged about me it is because of this and that and you must understand ukuthi pointing out names it is because I know for the fact that there's evidence and there even nama recording where they are sending me be careful umzwathi ufuna ukushaya nentwana zakhe ezinye ziza kimi zingitshela ezinye zakhona which I won't mention the name ke ngelinye ilanga ngavele ngakhuluma something sokuthi nina ninodwa la niyadlana nina yangithola so that is the reason why ngavela ngathi okay it's fine secondly ngidila nge-SSA ne sesiya umuntu wesithu ufuna ungikhawata and ubafuna ungikhawata sidila nge-SSA ngi-investigate ama-case akhona ka-materialize mtshana there's nothing that which is happening not even into encane productive uyangithola chief ngidile ngale case lena yase-SSA sengi-involve into eziningi kakhulu manje there are bigger things involve namajita weMpumalanga presidential cartel amanye wakhona uyabona sebangi-investigatisa nezinye izinto zabantu vele la ngibona ukuthi yabona manje la so involve nabo bell company you understand so involve nama-mine yaseMpumalanga la abantu bafela khona sekumele ngi-investigate ngithola i-site manager ukuthi site manager ubani ngathola ama-site manager amagama ngathola everything chief in SSA state security agent laborandal bahlene information ibhaka kakhulu ngami baze batshintshe the same nathi sebenza kule number le ngathi kayabona ukuthi le information engimnika naseyashisa let's use this number because this is a work number ngathi mangibe expose kule video le ku internet le number le bayikhipha completely so now it happened currently ukuthi masenginale issue le ngiyabona ukuthi man ama comrade la amaningi kakhulu ane problem so ngacabanga ukuthi ANC kwayona ine intelligence yayo you understand ngafonela I contact uMbalula later ngoba phela ngiyabona ukuthi ayisekho into eyenzakalako manje ngaze ngakontana noBheki Cele ngamfollow uBheki Cele uBheki Cele wathi akuna stress manje ngizawubuya ku mangise ngimfollow uBheki Cele futhi wathi ngimfollow after 1 hour mase ngimfollow uBheki Cele gone uBheki Cele yayizwa uthini ngathi no I think thinta umbalula hleli la ngelinye cappuccinos sithulele ngithi mara ngicabanga umuntu engamfonela fonela umbalula ithe kunjani nje sho avele ngimtshele hey ususu ayiphela lento le yangazi ukuthi ngenza ngayo because manje information sengale and manje mina sengumuntu ogijingiswayo ayikho mhlawumbe indledlanyana and ufona with ngenda uthi hayi SG although kune story estradini benza angithi ngeke uloku usaba ukufonela umuntu because kune story let's say bathi uChris lana intombi uyazinemba mazabi uyangithola la kungaba ne story eziningi yabo noma singekho leso story leso bese abantu babantombazana sabe kathi kunomuntu okusabothatha igama ngithi mina hayi fine follow SG it SG so uyabona ize ngimtshele ngithi phela manje at the moment of time ama comrade amaningi akhona wakho ay involved ngalendlela and mina kune information already sengikhiphile ya investigator but akumaterialize and it's been years now ngathi mina yikho enye indlela esingasebenza ngayo ukuthi le matter iphele and nami futhi i-states ngangiprotecta kanjani because Hawkside labantu aba-corrupt and amanye ama-Hawks member vele azana nalabo lezi zasempumalanga is dangerous so it's very easy ukuthi noma ngathi bangizamele intonyana zama-witness protection nani vele kube difficult because I know angithi so mina before ngikhuluma into ngiyayilandelela yabona it took me time from last year until namhlanje ayikho into engiyikhulumile nami personally bengizi-investigatela ngizigadarela i-information you understand meanwhile ngilesimo lesona lesi ngikompile so manje kube nalento le uSG sikhulume umbalula athi no it's fine don't worry Joe kunomuntu engizokuhlanganisa naye uzokuthinta hey ndoda less than just 10 minutes sengifonela ubani uPatrick Mathebula hayi nguPatrick Mathebula igama lami i-contact number yakho ngithole kufikile Mbalula I'm the head of the ANC security yabona ukuthi ukhuluma ngomuntu okuyi level uyangithola so athi comrade manje ngizwile izindawo manje angunderstand ukuthi singahlangana kuphi kanjani ngimtshela ukuthi hayi mina ngelanga liso zabe ngisendaweni so ngidisclose vele yabona zabe ngisendaweni so and mhlawumbe isinawe singamithana khona lapho athi kimi uMathebula athi okay it's fine that time ke senginemoto yabo athi no it's fine ngithi no okay ngicela ukuthi senze so ngizokufonela mina mase ngizosuka ngize masizohla sihlangane eBronco Springs naye yabona eRomance yabo hayi uyafika futhi bekahamba noMandla Qwane I remember very well hayi mina ngisuke uMandla Qwane mjito close noMbalula yabo usebenzela vele le out yabo Mandla Qwane back I think 2022 bebalele indaba zokuthi ababhadalo eLithuli House yabo hayi ke le out ifethu ngithi ngiseBronco Springs comrade afuna ukuhlehlisa ngithi hayi yabona mina mangabe ngiyazi ukuthi sesikhuluma ngento esensitive wahlehlisa angeke usaphinda ungibone ngeke ngisakhuluma nawe at all uhlehlisa uplanani ufuna ukwenzani you understand sengudisclosele sesidisclose uyahlehlisa futhi yini athi no comrade ngathi ngathi no ngathi ngamane vele simithana yabona namhlanje siyamitana athi no akuna stress comrade yabona ngisuke shift nomuntu engihamba naye mana ngeke ngichaze ukuthi bengihamba nobani yabo ngihamba nalo muntu loyo lo muntu loyo ubone yonke into alesete and lo muntu loyo uthulile du yabona ngimbeke ukuthi yena abe umuntu nje so that kusasa kungathiwa mina nginestory and futhi kule khamba kuna camera muzivele khona lapha ngithi chipe yobona ngoba umuntu mfethu ubheke ngapha yonke into ngithi wena you don't even come close to me you don't even do anything yabona awenzi lokho but namhlanje angifuni umfaka lapho akayeka ahlale ngepeace ngoba yabona manje mina sengila ngiphathi kwevolcano and ngiloku ngiyakhona uphefumula yabona ngoba uKristu ukhona ngaphansi kwale volcano baphela njani I prayed many times to Christ Jesus to help me and he has been protected me very well no abantu bangithi hamba yothatha hamba yoguqa hamba wenzani bangiyeke banginika yonke ngadangi lapho chief ngcono ukuthi umuntu ahlale kuKristu nethi khona la ngoba uyangiprotecta chief even now so manje abanye bathi ngize ngathola nomntshanga nje ote wena le ufula ngakhona ngathi uthwele ngathi hey angiyenzi lento le so chief sihlangana afika athi kimi le out hey ngicela ukuthi kunoMandla Qwane uzosuka from Joburg uSG umtshela ukuthi naye abe part yo meeting sikhona ukuhlangana sonke ngamnika i-location yangala eMidas out of the center ye-complex. Yabo? Ukuze ashale lapho angangiboni mangena. Yabo? Angangiboni mina at all. Hlale ngani. Athi asihlangane so that uMandla Qwane mekafika senguthi mhlambeni sesikhunga athi no asihlangane angakafiki. Yazi why? Manje wahlangana no Mathebula. When we have the conversation uzongirecorda or kune possibility ukuthi mangixoxa naye in my thinking avele enze voice note WhatsApp so that when we conversate athumele lo WhatsApp uMandla Qwane in his way sekane information ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani kwenzani so ngofika ngizenze njengomuntu ojahile ngavele ngayiblocker lapho ukuthi no because kunale system leyo ukuthi ungobaba meeting abantu wonke umuntu angakaphelelanga ngoba kunempimpi la wena mawuthi umuntu sekane information sekayazi ukuthi hala azikhuluma ngani nina I'm telling you ungabamba meeting
yazi ama techniques nje intadenga ungawanaki
nina manithi is late akunabu late but next it is being planned wena mawufika umangala lo muntu unamanye ama answer for everything ukanti lokwenza njani ngoba ekungayakho manicala phansi nikhuluma layout le isayine information iyazi ukuthi no lapha the agenda is like this like that maka emotweni ulalele makafika lapha umangala wena itsothi lithi hey this guy is informed akuna next kuya practice yagugula lapha efoni kubhizi kuyasebenza kuse office lapha efonini mekafika niyawuve umshaka ezingcono nithi this guy is very smart akuna next lokho vobenyana lokho abaye bathi yabona futhi enye into don't let people answer calls during the meeting chief must be very careful no dutshula nhleli khona la for umuntu stress no meeting angithi phela remember when we are going to have a meeting you everyone osefoni umtshela ukuthi ngemeeting put that phone on silence why ufuna usibulalisa manje sokhuluma nabantu lapha ngaphandle you understand kanti nakasacala excuse me uyenza i-ringtone omunye wakhona ezibenzani kunomuntu amreportelako uyenza i-ringtone efonini can I answer this phone unamango uyoyicisha le ringtone afika phone kahle ngaphandle atext isibali ngicela ukuthi sisala sitshintsha le deal kahle kahle discussion yanamhla isoso ungaseza nini sorry bani manje mbona late has apologize ayikho yonke lento le chief mina there are a lot of things that which I've learned the techniques yonke le mncuvanga abantu baplan izinto mina I've learned a lot of things chief in this journey ifike le mayifika ngihlabe ngelocation yangaphandle ngithenga uphayi ngapha ngaphandle ngihambe ngohlala ne-homeless guy ngimbhekile so ngibhizi ngishare iphayi nalomuntu oyi-homeless simbukele sifuna ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani kahle lapha sasikima sahamba sadlula duzane nekwakho ubhizi ubukela uTikTok nani ama-reels we-Facebook ngiyathula ngiyambheka ngiyadlula mina ngiyangani ngibuye nale out bese mayaceda lapha ngime lapha ekhoneni kufika uMandla Qwane uhamba namajide intelligence babhizi bandindi iMidas ngibabhekile bayibheka lapha angithi abazi abantu be-intelligence bathanda ukukhuthala mos noma ngasizi nesizaro uyasho ungakuvuthela into kuyo lokho kwenzani khona kuyadraya kanti no wena abantu adraya lapha check iMidas ngikude kakhulu uRemidas lo ngimbhekile ngathatha ifoni ngayifaka ku-silence ufonela mina nabantu be-intelligence nifunana nami lapho ngithathela ama-chance ceda ngalomcimbi wakho lapha then sizokhuluma ngimbhekile ulokhu busy masiyaceda lapho maka ngifonela ayifona mi ku-silence angiyibambi ngithule ngimbheke netso ngime Pauline Feder ngizisamile netso ngimbhekile njengoba la yabona njengala endleleni mina ngila ngimbhekile so shaka frustrated itele out intelligence mase baqala bakhula down ngabe ngithatha ifoni ngimfonela uyamangala mangithatha ifoni ngimfonela ngithi yimi lo mbhekile bengiloko ubhekile athi manje ngithi phela nibhizi nomcimbi wenu nabantu be-intelligence ngifuna nami lapho so angazi planeni yini nisinani sidiscuss into ezi-important so ngamtshela ngathi my brother it's me shaka mangala shuthi yabona lezi zinto siyacabanga ukuthi kusho ukuthi lo xotsotsi lo zavele zarelaxa nazo ngiyamtshela ngithi no it's fine but you must understand I have sensitive information and I'm afraid ukuthi I don't know what's going to happen with my life currently all the people the departments and everyone that which I've communicated with they've started turning it otherwise that which I didn't know you don't even know they've turned it otherwise in a way that which I don't even understand. Police officers, they've turned it otherwise. Everyone has turned it otherwise. But when I combine the map, I'm like, the questioning about me, do you know Mr. Spanyu? Yabon, do you know this and that? I want to maybe something is right. So from that point, the gentleman, when he comes, The fact is he's a man. Yabo. So when he comes, the old man, when he comes, uthi hey wayengabambi phone ngiyamtshela ngithi siyangibuza ngila uthi don't be scared uyabona iphoyisa lathi don't worry lathi trust me uyagona bakuthengisile you see when a police officer says those two things, don't worry, you can trust me, boy, you are gone, don't even talk anymore. Le statement osikhuluma lapha vele umhlehlisa but ubaleke ungasaphindi ubuyele lapha. Any police officer lekutshela ukuthi liphinde lithi kuwe, don't be scared, you're at the police station, unamanga ufela khona lapha, don't even go there. Chief, man, I've expressed those things where a police officer, you can trust me, don't stress, I'm going to make sure ukuthi this case is being registered. Yabona ukuthi ayangishasha letho. Siyacabanga uDeli awuthi iphethe inyuku. Wena mawukhuluma statement usibhala, le awuthi iphethe inyuku. Le ntwana lo bamlehlanya, lo mina ivice identity. That's what they do. Okugcina i-detective kakhulu bala ukuhlekisa kakhulu athi I'm going to put your statement very nicely and perfect. Don't worry, gonna arrest them. Azange asayinela nokusayinela akuna case noba ne case ngavele ngahamba. Avele ngahamba. Angilinde kusasa avele ngahamba. Ngavele ngahamba nakuthi nalapha endaweni ngavele ngahamba nasendaweni. Ngoba baba ngifone lezo kuthiwa bathi awule uye Broncos uye Witbank ngathi Witbank police station ngathi no stress. Mina chief uyazi ukuthi ngizokushaya enye indlela enye enzima kakhulu mangifuna ngibone ukuthi sewungizela ngemcondo manje. Ngizovumelana nawe ngikunembe sinini ngikuthembe wena yezo ngizokwenza ngizokurelaxisa. Uzophola la emcondweni chief ne uthi masopholile ngivaye. Yes ngenzani lapha ku statement ngavele ngabuye lapha ku statement ngathi number yami ngibhale wrong. U1 ekugcineni ngamfaka u0 aba u9. Bese u7 ngavele ngamfaka u3 lapha ngavele ngamlungisa. Ayishaya epalini mina sengiyahamba ke manje. Ayivele ishaya epalini. Ngime komunye umuzi engabona nginyiveni amahati edlule ngithi iyebreka lapha ekhaya ngathi hayi le bhari yongifuna. Seyibeka khona lapha yadlala ngiye yathi vroom. Akavele kwenye elinye time so la ngicova vula yongideliver somewhere. Gone. So now you must see ukuthi these systems, these guys, they make you to sometimes you just even watch them. So manje at this point of time, my brother, when I go to mafika uMathebula sihlale phansi yazi ngiqale ngathini ngibi ngiyaba ngiyazi ama comrade athanda ukurecorda namakhulu information siyakhuluma Frederick uthengwe nama pizza i5 ama pizza i5 akhona hawu seka ready hawu fast kangaka sek ready ngade wamuntu over manje uyangithola mina futhi angisiyo umuntu othanda nokudla kamasipala mina bayazi solo kwaba nemicimbi nazange ngadla nakayi1 next angidli mina angithathela ama chance. So manje yazi ngithini kibi ngithi mina comrades, I wish this meeting can be recorded. Yes, why? Nyabaza ngisho. Because when we start to have a conversation, they are now starting to prepare phones. Yabona umuntu meeting a prepare phone. I don't know. Phela into ye recording usiyakhona ucima ifone ibonakala ngathi akuna next. I don't do those things man. Don't worry. Kukhona enye ifakile khona la isikhwameni ngabonakala. Because uyazi makayibeka la izobonakala. Ayihlohle net khona la ejacketini yakhe. I don't worry comrade, I don't do those things man. They babysit your mind. Then when you are babysit, you are done. I mean, I'm always active, chief. My mind is always active. And there are a lot of things that are happening in the corners of the country which already saying as told. But some of those things is none of my business. These things of the illegal immigration and foreigners, most of the things that are happening at the borders, chief. Says he has to say, I'm all right. He has to learn, chief. I need taxi mandate. It's too late. But so from that particular point, this meeting, I wish it can be recorded. It's begane emehlweni zethu. Seziyaqolozelana manje. No, that's how it is. Let's record the meeting. Aba vele bacisha ama recording. Ngiyambona umuyise kashona. Ukama ukuthi angimboni vele uyayicisha ngavele ngathi ya. That is when I started. I programmed them indirectly so. Someone else because if you don't program people to be in your line, you don't be comfortable to speak everything that you want. Rather, just make them should be in your lane. Build now, make them your brother and a sister now. But when you're done, you're just like, you know what? Thank you so much, chief. I'm going to talk to Mbonil. Thank you so much. So that is where, when we had the conversation, I started to involve certain people. Sengifaka nama-gangs walama organizations. Because uMandla Msiba ngithi yena ushaya ngeLusaka. Lusaka ba-employed kamnandi lapha ko masipala.
Abantu abasebenza ngamasipala aphinde bebe yigenge.
Ngithi lento enzeke eThekwini eThekwini municipality. Actually eThekwini municipality angihlangani vele nayo, it's fine. But yabona njengoJasita Ngobese. Jasita Ngobese ke ngamsiza ngecase kamamakhe back then. Angaqala ukushada before uyangazi uJasita. Net manje yabona senginjani la angiphika, but there's a history. Akunandaba naso siyachaza ukuthi ngazi KZN ngaqhubeka ngezinye zezinto kanti uJasita wapresenta something KZN bashaya ubarobho gokwakhe ku billing system bam overcharge benzani yonke lento leyo. So uJasita Ngobese posted something and then sagcina sa engage. Then we had talks until we lost contact naye. And now I involved the office of the president by that time, and I involved the office like mayor Lena. We had to deal with them, with this other lady from the office like a president. And I remember, if not mistaken, the minister's office, or Eddie Cockter was also involved, if I'm not mistaken, in of the minister by that time. It was back to 2022, if not 2021. But yeah, somewhere there. It's just that uJasita Ngobese even said, "Hey, no, can't labantu bese office la president, bakuresponda masinyana akho kwenza njani? Ngathi awa engithi complain yakho. You can't say it, just complain ngithi matter yakho sidila ngayi phela lana ku serious." Yabona? So we responded, we communicated. Jasita Ngobese by that time wasizakala gogo ngamnceda. Yaba njalo icase yakhe waba right, waba happy and everything. And then it was fine. But now currently, you see, they are busy with it. I don't have a problem with it. I don't care. But now, it happened, Guti. There are some issues in the municipalities. People are being employed, but bangama hitman. We hitman. Yes, John. Lo muntu loyo chief kuzukuthi we hitman and wazana ama hitman. Kuna ma service provider womasipala bangama hitman. Especially with people yabazi mfethu lawo yomasipala yabakera mfethu but angene endabeni zabantu yabo. So now if you understand properly ngakenzela example mfethu, there's no need to kuthi ngifile yayibona out lena yasempumalanga lena idila ngematch and match bambiza ngombele but you was a member of amabutho whatsoever angithi out comes what. So mina I was very shocked kuthiwa umuntu uleader imatch and match empumalanga. But I don't want to say in detail some of the things, yabo, because ngiyazi unabantu engibayekelele zona ukuthi badile ngazo. Abanye abantu ke bakhuluma nabo CFO ngami ngibhekile lephezulu. You understand? Enye out futhi lapha kamasipala bengena iphethe isibhamu. Kamasipala isibhamu asingeni. Ayofika nase office la ka CFO aphethe isibhamu. Again. Abanye abantu enguthi igeng yabo laba beyicollecta ama protection fee emandiyeni abotimjikija abanye bakhona lapha. Manje na lesikhathi bangakaqala ukuhlukana. Phela manje ngiyacaka manje semabhizi ngematch and match with bank. Itimjikija yenzani ngoba labantu laba bathi collect izimali emandiyeni bathi ba protect amandiya. Understand mina ukuthi kuzakala. So manje isystem abanye bakhona ba rentisa amashangane khona lapha. Nama-Nigeria nabantu ababuya ekhaya abathengisa imizimba khona lapha ba-collect izimali lamajita mara some of them but namhlanje sekuyibo futhi manje amaphoyisa jo wasisabs e-Witbank mina ngakutshela ngithi lo nalo ni nakuthiwa kushiya ama-prostitute abanye babo bebanemba ama-prostitute lapha chief. That is why labantu bazongibulalela iqiniso chief. Ezinye zezinto sizishude ebusuku thina sizijulele tu bese uyayiprofilela nje kancane uyazi lo miyeke netho. So namhlanje yabona ukuthi lento seyanga-assista ngani ngikhuluma into bese ngazi ukuthi kunofakazi engizobhekapha ngabo. Mina jo ngisipane namahata kakhulu angeke ngize ngikhulume into engazi kusasa ukuthi mabathi yep uthi hayi no I'm sorry yani ma uzokhuluma I'm sorry. Angithi phela bokhuluma with braveness. And on the other side mina you can't summon me ungitshele ngamaloya wakho. Ngizowatshela amasima mabengo edoti iloya lakho naye bengiwa investigate ngithi ukuze uthembele kulabantu labe ngoba ngiganga nonke. Phela panel yamaloya wakamasipala eWitbank chief. Abanye bakhona bayabasebenzisa emakhoneni ukuthi fight legal battle for them. yamangala le madlawa muzi panel of attorneys yabo lela kamasipala mara achoose kagawe and uyamangala outlane mase kuliziphe court makuvela le out uthi kanjani manje shuthi imali kamasipala ibhadala le out ukuthi or kuvele mhlambe omunye attorney la le company lele liyo representa because bangithi mhlambe intombazana abayikeni so yamangala mina chief ngeke ungidile ngesystem edom ungitshela ukuthi mina municipal official hayi chief yila ke usemanzini khona ke that's why you are in water. So like now as I said bafika bo lentuzo mathebula it's fine siyakhuluma yabo any stories zami chief mina ngikhohle ukuthi ngikhuluma so makafika ngipaka imoto la ngipake phambi ngipakile ngithola bangipakile phambi komnyango siyaqeda ngo-meeting wethu bathi kimi no in fact you know what we are going to give you report to SG we are happy but so long please give us another information go WhatsApp ngakhiphe information enzima kakhulu kunamanye amajida we-MK part angili nabe sengiyachaza nje yabona sengiyachaza yabo mara yabona mina ipolitiki chief abantu la ngaphandle basazodila lapha. Alright, okay, athi before ufika lapha siyakhuluma uyabona siyakhuluma masikiza khuluma bayahamba wokuphuma lama pizza i5 lawa hayi box 4 or 5 akuzakhumbula uyakhipha 1 2 uyokunika le string ngaphakathi angifuni why ungavela unginika ibox la ngaphezulu le pizza or le 2 or lele uvela ulanda le string ngaphansi ngalo ulenzeni ujove ngani okay ngithi bajovile senyasho ulenzeni why uzobala uzonginika lela sekugcineni ama pizza i5 alunge nini futhi ngoba ipizza wathatha isikhathi so less than an hour ama pizza seka right i5 chief for 4 wangozodlala ngami you made uodile la ote khona we member of the intelligence we head of the intelligence ngapha mina ngokutshela information ngama comrade wakho then the next thing mangifika uzongithengela ipizza asiyeke mtshana angifuni ipizza yakho ngamane ngambe ngihuda amazi why that is why manje uthoka ukuthi yenza omunye bekayozibulala athi kunokuthi mina ngiphile so estratini kunokuthi anyazibula I am naye zibulale chief mina ngalo nkulunkulu enginayo chief you know we see Christ Jesus name it's very powerful chief check this world check the presidents of this world the Russian presidents the whatsoever president Chinese president powerful president but their power is not compared to the power of God. All of them, they were created by God. So calculate the power of God then. Looking at all the presidents of this world, the things they do. Adolf Hitler. But now check so check the power of God. If we are a situation directly to the power of God. That is why nini uthola lama yazi nokuzenzani lezi ezigijimisa nginokuzenza bo Popeye sometimes. Yazi ngazenzani engazenza bo Popeye blind. These guys bayafika ngemoto ngamabhaki benzani bayagijima abanye bahamba ngezinyawo ngathula ngababheka yazi ngenzani angithi ngitrekwa ngefoni avele ngathatha ifoni yami ayinikeza iphara ngathamba uthengisa le phone balilandela iphara labantu ngababukela kadbeka lezi liba lezi ngikutshela ukuthi kunalabe ngime khona ngime ku flat yangithola ngithule ngibabhekile so ngivalelekile kulela block leli abanye bakhona baze bavele bagcwele ngezimoto lapha yazi ngenzani ngathatha iglove lakudala le construction ngafaka le phone lapha phakathi ngathatha iplastic yase Mr Price anisponsor ngoba sengikhulume ngaye la yabo ngathatha iplastic la ka Mr Price yangithola ngafaka lapha ngabopha le ya phone le ngaya ku window ebalcony ngayiphonselela le phansi le ukuthi bangakhona ukuzola bagcine sebangena kule block engilo ngaphonsela abaphansi le phone ababonanga abo siphithiphithi badraya lapha yakutshela kule phone base ba break how this phone the location says this guy is here but we don't see him we don't see the phone ngibabhekile kuseni mangivuka lana ngabize ngi-out ngathi come here ngathi kuseyaphanda ngithi athi ya iphara ngambizi ngephara ngithi lo muntu uhlushwa ama drugs yabona singasithuka abantu ngoba it's wrong ngithi no athi ngithi uyaphanda atsho ngithi yazini ngikhipha ibattery ngifakela isikhwameni angithi bayakhona ukutracker noma ifoni icimile ukhiphe nebhattery so le smartphone ebengisiphethe ngafuna ismartphone esofaka ikhipha ibattery because benginali but I knew yabo but ngithi mara mangakhiphe mhlambe i-location abakhona ukuyibamba closer yabo but ba-locate system yakhona nje bayiphethe. Imagine abantu abangama izigebengu bayazitracker manje namhlanje, yabona. So it happened ukukhiphe le battery ngifake esikhwameni ene mina amafoni ngaphatha ahambile ufona abo S23 Ultra abo S24 ahambile amafoni ami lot 5 amafoni S5 ifoni lengilahlako manje. So le phone lena ngicharge le out ingaye le out. Ngithi nali battery. Charge le phone. Uyayithenga. Leso sikhathi nginenkinga eBronco Spread. Kwakunenye ifamily sinayo sibangidani. Ngisabhizi ngifuna ukulungisa le nto le yabo. Ngithi hayi umuntu manje. So manje kune intombazana ngisethi hey ngcono saka sikrefund yonke le nto. Kwavele kwamoshakala izinto. Hayi ngithathe le battery. Ngigaye le out ngithi bamba. Ene phone le smart la ma latest nyana wabanje but ngithi bamba. Hamba uthengisa le phone uzobona iplan. Ngicela ukwenze sure ukuthi le phone awuyithengisi within this region. Vele uhambe ngale phone uhambe. Le awuthi before that. Yesterday ngepolice station ngithi mange police station kuba ne problem eserious ukuthi amahata nawo sekayangivayisa la eKing Ross. The next day duzana la ngihlala khona sekune program amaphoyisa sekabeka izinto lapha nama-10 ngithi lezi lima lezi sibeka izibhayizayo khona lapha bacama ukuthi ngislip babeke namanye ama-organization badansa benzani ngiyasho ukuthi ala kahle ukubheke mina ukuthi la because bangigcine ngila. So automatically sekune program nina hamba nosicala la i-program lo muntu mina ngisipari bra. Mina makungathiwa let's say for an example I decide to say this political party mhlambe sengikwenzele example ngiyayijoina or whatsoever ngiyisipanela bangabona umhlolo bra. Mina ngifuna ungibeke entweni eziningi put me on the ground. Chief. Hey chief. Angidlali mina. Kuna now and then the political party will issue reports. Hey, we've discovered this in this area. Hey, I don't even play. So in the strategical, I'm a person in a planning. That guy took that phone wahamba na. Hey chief, ngisahleli lapha ku balcony ngibhekile. Besa yeziyahla zakijima. And isiphuma after an hour. Nalezi besiphala za shifter. Zonke siyehlele zazibhekana lapho vobe sebangishaya ngiphelele. Uhamba lapha ngahamba ngepeace njani. Sunday yakhona bayabuya baphuza amabhiya i1 yakhona ebhizi dra ngemoto ngana engividabi so na imoto lento zebovu la. Imisili sebovu.
Fana ngenxa yesikhathi indaba ethu ngeke iphele.
Yeah.
Iluphi usizo kahle ukhala ngalo manje?
Bram yabona ngizokutshela iqiniso. Abona usizo enguthi kahle khala ngalo. Mfethu akube nomuntu honest eSouth Africa mfethu onguthi engizosipana naye. I know ukuthi bakhona lama lentuzi but umuntu o transparent that kukhona enguthi ngisipana nawo but mhlambe sengitshela nabo labo. Uya understand ukuthi mas investigator lama matters walabantu laba yonke lama cases lawo benze sure ukuthi banga compromise because information eningi lana esengiphethe uyabona i-involve abantu abaningi kakhulu and aba powerful. Well benginale issue nabo Mbalula ngisachaza yabo. Well ngaba confront I manje I don't want to lie ngiyabona ukuthi hayi ngathi nabazi mindela indaba zabo uyayani.
Ukhuluma nama Jensen eMK.
Bengikhuluma ngamadoda lawo eMK. Kunenge ukuthi ngathi mangiphethe okay I was doing investigation yabo. Ngathola enye out yaseMpumalanga. Yawuthi yakhona yase mangiphenya. Mangichecka lentuza document la le CIPC le MK party. Layout lapha ngiyayibona. Hey kungathi yabona ezinye izinto like ngafuna i-out MK ngikena ukuthi out nje yabo egreen. Ngamtshela ngathi man mara umuntu oso again before nimconsider akena na check history. Layout ithi mina yabona ezinye zezinto my brother kusho ukuthi kungabe ngathi ulwisa wonke umuntu. You understand? Kune ngathi sofika uthunyewe iagent ku destroy political party yabantu. Angikho lapho. So ngithe mangiya lapha I just no vele currently kune disciplinary yalo kuna something esidila ngayo yale out le vele mangithi nini la ngelinye mangichecka lapha le out bayi remove lapha ayisekho sekunamayene because BMK mayicala ibe nama member i3 the board of directors ku CIPC document beba i3 all of them I still remember I know all of them understand abanye bakhona I know they come so that other one why in the case ye fraud acola bogogo bashaya bacola isasa badlimale sasa and I had like information yakho so wam remove so but now ku MK futhi ngakhuluma lele out but u David loku ad hoc committee yabona uMazolmani uSikhosana before anything started chief when I was still experiencing indaba zokubona ukuthi no man ngathi I'm about to be killed or something yabo sengicala kubona ngiyamtshela ngithi man kune information esong ehambile ngafika kuphi until namhlanje ayikho into eyenzekile yabo bonke lento zama information badayika ngayo bayabaleka benza yonke lento le information yakhona involve nabanye abantu at the highest level yabo so manje ngavele ngamtshela ngathi uDavid uthi kimi no man uDavid phela ubuya kwaNdebele chief
Usikhosana ngeke ngiyabona ukhuluma isinto
yeah ubuya kwaNdebele and Viera ngeke azabhiza acabana nabantu bakwaNdebele mamtshela abantu bakwaNdebele you understand angithi ini mara sengiya highlighter nje ngiyamtshela ngithi eMpumalanga phela kunjena nje ngicale ngakhuluma nomsezana enye out igama lakho bangikhohliwe ngamsezana naye yabo usi ku parliament naye bangitshela ukuthi hayi uchuma noDavid ukhona mara before uchuma noDavid number David bengilongo naye so manje ngithi uDavid ke ngamfonela before mara nama ngisalindile hayi uMr David ngimthinta alokwathi sizohlangana next week ngilokulibele mina ngimfuqa ngeinformation ngiyamfollow phela kunjena nje all right sizana next week akukhona ku committee mina I'm asking myself ukuthi abantu abaso why bangaziraise lezi zinto ku committee kunabantu abanjena nje and kunama cases aveziwe lapha kuMadlanga commission thina abanye si ya relate kunalezi zinto lezo angeke asho ukuthi umuntu ozomani indaba esongadi ke wa yabo then from that point aloka ngijembisa ngathi okay it's fine ngicela ukuthi wenze so nginikeze ama contact details ka General Mkhwanazi uyangithola ngikhumane naye what I do have the contact details but unfortunately I will not give it to you yabo ngoba labantu laba phela hey noma bangama public servant mara bayalo chief ufuna ukusiza umuntu ngithi ungamniki lama number yabo so ngathi it's fine then what happened currently is that mfethu kwakune number sengitholile yakho khona yabo then kwalahleka le phone ngisafuna ukukhuluma naye but kunabantu enguthi bazi ba close naye so currently kumele ngithola ama phone relax but akusadingeka ukuthi Mkhwanazi inini whatsoever yabo kumele sengithola indlela ukuthi ngidile nama issues then manje into engizama ukuyichaza ngendaba le ukuthi abo Sikhosana akabe be honest nabo once while basebenzela iMK babhizi yabo ababe honest cause number 1 ubhizi currently angifuna angithini Deputy Minister uNkalutshana bushoni bokashoni lomntwana uyabathola boSikhosana lapha mara ngikhuluma into eziningi yabona akunezinto enguthi ngiyazazi but angifuni ukurasa kakhulu bram because isikhathi izongidinga ukuthi ngichaze kakhulu akasi corrupt angibusho lokho but irelationship yakhe thina abanye siyaquestion that is why sometimes masithi saba contactor bayenze so sithe senze bayenze so because number 1 nazo leza kwaNdebele uqhumana nazo uyazana nazo so that is why vele kahle kahle nami ngcine sengasakhona ukuthi angicommunicate naye so kusasa nangarasa ku internet mara naye akabe honest because kunala sikhuluma kwathi umfola na it's fine so angifuni ukukhuluma deeper but sengiyasho nje mina ngiyazwela kune case is office la ka public protector that time bekunobusiswe Mkhwebane angatheki umuntu singachaza ngisese ne report yakho investigating officer yakho esinye investigating officer mntwana abantu angeke ngimkhuluma ukuthi bani but ukhona lapha kule report sese no minister Lindiwe Zulu I report le chief yatkhandwa I protector office la ka minister Lindiwe Zulu minister Lindiwe Zulu bengine contact nabe sicoca mama and everything but ngathi protect minister Lindiwe Zulu ngambet mouth yabona ama officials wakhe lapha ngaphakathi namhlanje la bengikhuluma ngabo nabo abo Abraham Phahla Mhlaka is acting chief of staff manje ye-Department of Social Development. I-report yakhona bophatla mhlaka nabo kule report leyo. Kulama complaint nani ngakafaka lekhe ngeyonke le namhlanje kwashwa nje imali eGauteng Dom abantu baseGauteng baloku baya phansi phezulu basuke la baye kule abantu bakhona baba neglected bagcine abanye bakhona bashona.
Brother ngenxa yesikhathi sesishayile ngiyacabanga sekwenza 2 hours manje.
So yena yabona ukuthi kusesekuningi.
Kusesekuningi.
My brother inkinga zabo konje nje usizo. My brother yabona if in case yabona njengamanje. Abantu man mfethu abashone lapha ku angifuni ukubanikeza uTikTok kwama account because kunonto zikaNkulunkulu lapha yabo. Angifuni iphithizele iTikTok account yami mfethu yabo. Mfethu yabo mina lapha ku Facebook. Ngiyazi mhlawumbe ngithola ama threat nama insult ayisabi into ezinjengalezo. Uthi mina ngithusele ukuthi I'll kill you. Thatha ama chance chief. Ngizokubheka nje mina ngihleke. Sengifuna ukubulawa kuma chief abantu ngijiswana ngama AK yonke lento le. Abanye bakhona babonekele nakuma camera ya understand? Sengithule nje kuphela. So but I know abanye bakhona nje laba bafuna ukungicima chief. Baningi chief. Uyabona? Ngenxa so into engizama ukuchaza lapho ukuthi if do you think it's good ngibanike Facebook if someone wants to say something, wants to do something?
If when you feel safe ngalokho.
Amara uzayenza on Facebook yabo. Sonda kuzayiluka yini uzayijema. Uzayenza. Yes ngenzela in my brother. People angithi ngiyazi negebengu you will reach out there. Hey, let me help you. Yebo, let me assist you. You see sometimes but I don't think there's a need. If someone wants to assist me, let them WhatsApp you my brother.
Oh.
Yeah, asigcine lapho. Uyayibona? If they want to assist about something.
But mina ngokuthola happy.
Awungawara ngithi mhlambe kwenze ukufonele Chris.
Oh yeah.
Akuna something. Noma ngeke ngikutshela ukuthi ngikuphi yabo. Yeah, ngizothola uBhobhobho nyana ukahle.
Because number yami ngathi yazi ngekhanda.
Ngiyakuzela vele. Because vese bazoyenza bawufika bavobe nyana bakuthreatenishe la bakuthembise nezimali but keep a land. Yabo, lento chief ingakuthuseli chief. Yabona? Bazokufonela bovobe. Omunye uzothi let me come for an interview even myself. Kanti esinye sesigebengu sifuna nje ukwazi ukuthi kwenzala. Abhimbe nje.
Usungaya amathipha amaningi umuntu sengizomscreena.
Umuntu Chris ofuna ukwenza interview akenza monologue. Uyangithola achaze nestory sakhe before accepta.
Yeah.
No, thanks very much my brother and abovobe ngiyazi bogcwala le ndawo bathi bafunana nami kanti zabe gone.
Awusuhembe.
Sengihambe vele kahle sengihambi. Sesihamba. So abasuke baluke beze bazongifuna mara sengihambi. Ngicela ukuvala ngomthandazo my brother obaluleke kakhulu because mina vele iNkulunkulu vele yabo. Babegameni lika Jesu Kristu owasinazaretha uNkulunkulu ongiphephisile kuzo zonke indlela nabofezela. uNkulunkulu onamandla ngibonga kakhulu namhlanje noma basazobukela bacabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngihamba ngemithi or ngani. Mina ngihamba ngawe Kristu and ngiphila ngawe. So kule mthandazo lena siyazi ukuthi kwakhona abaningi abawenzile amacebo wabo bazama abanye basithengisile abaduzana nathi bafuna ukuzuza imali ngathi kodwa ngoba uNkulunkulu lalela ama conversations esingawazi nama conversation adipa kakhulu namacebo wabo ngithi uNkulunkulu engcwele ngaloko uNkulunkulu namandla ngiyabonga dwala emfihlalo qhubeka njalo Kristu ngizokukhonza uNkulunkulu namandla kulesimo engiso ngoba nalesikhathi ngisesimeni esiright ngawukhona Nkosi noma uNkulunkulu namandla Mesiya babhizi balola ibhamu ngithi mabahlolisise kahle ukuthi lento abayenzayo bogcina ngayo ngiyabathandazela imphefumulo yabo uNkulunkulu namandla mayizuzeke kuwe ngoba abanye bakhona bangabababa abantwana bale bazibuza ukuthi mhla uNkulunkulu engcwele bafuna abantwana babo nabo bafuna ezinye igebengu because lento abayitshala kuyinto ezophinda ibiyele phezulu kwabo noma bangathemba lezo inyanga ezibatshela amanga ezibadla zoshona lezo inyanga Nkosi kodwa uhlela uNkulunkulu omele njalo ngegama lika Jesu protecta le studio uNkulunkulu engcwele ukuthi abavobe bangasondeli amen abavobe bangasondeli my brother
bangasondeli
yeah bavobe labantu
bangasondeli